This is Pete's POV in an ALFA ROMEO Giulia Speciale 2.2. That's the car, and this is the start line. I will let you enjoy this without me waffling on. And this is what it looked like from my POV. So yeah, it was just great. Beautiful car. Saturday the 13th of June, we are off to the Supercar Fest at Shelsley Walsh. It's going to be absolutely amazing. The cars are going to be spectacular. And there is going to be a lot of action on the track. So I'll be filming it. I'll put a vlog up on the Sunday, the 14th of June. So if you don't want to miss that, please pop down and subscribe.